Would you want to learn how to earn money online with a simple system and a 2-hour workday? Today we're diving into something life-changing, how you can start earning money online using a simple system and working just 2 hours a day. But first, let me ask you this. Would you want a business that allows you to work from anywhere without dealing with inventory, shipping, or chasing customers? If that's a yes, stay tuned. I'm going to show you exactly how this works. So let's talk about why selling digital product is so much better than physical products. When you sell physical products, you're often stuck with inventory that you have to store, shipping costs, and logistic nightmares. Super low profit margins after paying for the product shipping and fees. Now let's compare that to digital products. You don't need inventory because everything is online. There is no shipping. It's delivered instantly with no effort from you. And there's the best part. The profit margins are huge because there's no cost to produce or deliver the product once it's created. I'm part of a system that lets you sell high-value digital products with 100% profit. That means if you make one sale, you keep every single dollar, and imagine earning $900 a day and it's all yours. That's the power of selling digital products. So how does it all work? It's simple and beginner-friendly. Here's what you will be doing. You'll use social media platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook to share valuable content, just like I'm doing now. Our automated system does all the heavy lifting for you. It handles follow-ups, payments, and delivering the digital products to your customers. Your focus will be attracting the right people, and no chasing, no DMing strangers, no cold calling. And you don't need to be a tech expert. This blueprint walks you through every step. Plus, you'll join a community of people just like you who are already seeing results. Now let me break down the benefits of this business for you. First of all, low startup cost. You don't need to invest in inventory or shipping supplies. The tools are affordable and you're earning profit from day one. Flexible schedule. You only need 2 hours a day. That's it. You can fit this in your current routine, whether you're a busy parent, have a 9-to-5 job, or are looking for extra income. Unlimited earning potential. Because the products are digital, there's no limit on how many you can sell. You're not capped by stock or delivery time. Freedom. This system gives you time freedom. Instead of being tied to a desk or working long hours, you can spend time with your family or pursue your passions. Let me share my story. Before I found this system, I was in network marketing for years, spending hours trying to build a business, and it was exhausting, and I wasn't seeing the results I wanted. So when I discovered this 2-hour workday system, everything changed. I started making consistent income while working less, and now I get to help others do the same. One of my clients joined this system as a complete beginner, and within a few weeks, she made her first sale. And now she's earning consistently while working fewer hours than ever. That's the power of digital products and automation. So how do you get started? It's super easy. Comment ready below and I'll send you all the details to get started with the system. And once you join, you'll get immediate access to the step-by-step training that walks you through setting up your business. You'll also get access to our supportive community where you can ask questions and learn from others who already are seeing the results. You'll be selling high-value digital products that people already want. And with our system, you can start earning right away. This system has completely changed my life, and I want you to have the same. If you're ready to start earning online, working just 2 hours a day, comment ready below, and I'll personally send you all the details.